I had an ongoing cough. This would not take care of itself and go away. So I made an appointment with the pulmonologist with Cleveland Clinic here in Indian River. Then once we came back the results, that's when I go, oh wow, okay, I have a bigger issue here. It's not just the cough, it's the heart.
A significant number of people, their first presenting sign of coronary artery disease is having a heart attack and passing away.
There was this sleeping time bomb going on inside of me, and they saved my life.